Hey guys, what I've got here is a 12 volt engine oil transfer pump. It was time to change the oil, so I thought I'll give this a shot and change the oil myself. Now leave the car running for about 5 minutes as you need a warm engine so none of the oil is settled. Now the top arrow indicates to insert your thick outflow pipe. Make sure it's securely in. To release, push in the cap and pull out. Insert your inflow pipe at this end. And then the rest enter in the dipstick tube. If it struggles to get through, just turn it around and apply a bit of pressure to slot it all the way in. Insert the outflow pipe to a bucket or a bottle. Apply the leads to the battery and switch on. Now for a moment I saw the flow doesn't seem that quick. That is when I moved the inflow pipe a bit in and out to get it on the exact level for the oil pump to be working. Taking about 2 liters of oil roughly took me less than 15 minutes. Move the pipe up and down until no more oil pumps out. Once all the engine oil is out, check with the dipstick and insert your new engine oil. Simple process guys, but make sure that the oil pump is suitable for your car before purchase. Now if you're wondering will there be any oil left on the pan after this process, well there will be hardly any left at all. I will leave a link in the description below of another fellow YouTuber that's carried out the same process and shows you what's left on the pan. These 12 volts pumps you can easily get them online and they roughly cost about £10. So no more waiting for an appointment at the garage and spending money when you can invest in this little device and do this yourself in your own convenient time. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.